be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, it should have been you.
Alright guys, I am back down at the shop. It is raining, as you can see. I was out pre-salting a little bit. Man, it's quite a bit of rain. I thought it was just going to be a drizzle. And yeah, when this gets cold, you guys, when the temp gets cold, it's just going to freeze everything. And so we're planning on going out. It's supposed to change into snow, and we are planning to go out later this afternoon, you guys. We'll see what happens. Last night I was out salting, and then this morning I was out salting as well. So back at the shop now. Yes. A lot of work.
Feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to.
What? Yes, I'll turn it back on. Alright guys, we got, look at this. Freezing rain, freezing drizzle. Here, I'll show you the radar. Check out this radar here. It is, as you can see, that's we're right here, and the snow is all coming in. So we won't be going out. It's gonna be a good one. It'll be a good one. Alright guys, so we've got our machine for 3 weeks, I think, and the machine's been running great. This machine actually registered way better. What I mean by registration is it lines these little thin lines, it lines up better and stays on line with the pictures. So it's a cleaner stitching. And the mechanicals and the oil of it, it's automatic, you guys. Well, we still have to pump it, but we don't no longer have to grease it or oil it on each point. Now we just come down here, switch it on, pump it a couple times, and there's tubes there. All the tubes run into the machine to where it needs to go. The only thing we have to grease or oil is the bobbin right in here. So that's the only things. And we have all of our hoops lined up there. As you can see, all of our threads back here, and we ordered more threads. You guys, we have to like double or triple the threads that we originally have in order to keep it all on hand and never run out. So, and you think we're gonna get the snow? They're talking 2 to 3 inches. You don't work? Do you work tonight?
No, sir.
Okay. We might go out when it stops. Snowing. Alright guys, it's like 4 p.m., a little bit after 4 p.m. Finally it started snowing. Look at this. It is snowing. Pretty good. We'll see if we go out. It's supposed to snow for another 2 hours, so if it keeps coming down, we might be going out. But this is what it looks like right now, you guys. It is windy, blowing snow. Guess we'll see. We'll have to see. We'll go out. All right guys, so it is it's about 6:30, a little bit after 6:30. We got like a half inch, maybe quarter of an inch, you guys, from today's event. And we're gonna go hit up the accounts that are zero tolerance. So Ashley and Suckla is gonna come in, and we're gonna get rocking and rolling. Emily's gone, you guys, so she won't be in. So Emily's just off for a few days, or she'll be back tomorrow, but she's been off for the last week for personal stuff. So we're gonna grab the walkie-talkie. All right, grab mine there. So grab that, and then we'll be out for a few hours, I'm sure. So I've got to Ashley and Suckla will go get residentials, you guys, and then downtown area, whatever needs to be cleaned. And then we're gonna head up to industrial. We don't have, like I said, we don't have to do the college. We don't have to do the college today or Sunrise, because those are all close to 2-inch triggers, or those are 2-inch triggers. But sometimes up at Sunrise, if it's close to 2-inch, then we'll move it. You know, but it's like quarter of an inch, so trigger point's not there. And you guys, the snow business, the snow, you guys, it's the weatherman is always wrong. I'm telling you, it's always wrong. They tell you one thing, it's supposed to be 2 to 4 inches today. That quarter of an inch, I thought we weren't even gonna get anything, you know. And so, you guys, that's the part of the snow business. You're up watching the weather constantly, and because you got to be prepared, you know. You got to be prepared. Hear her purr. I like driving the Denali, you guys. It's fun.
And I'm just singing, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. Driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. It should have been you. I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh,
Yeah.
it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know.
Oh my god, it's icy.
Been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let
Not this one?
Grab one more.
Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been
Grab
you.
that other yellow one.
Yellow one?
Dude, are you warm enough? Dress warm.
Yeah, I got leggings on under these pants. This jacket's actually pretty warm. Yeah, it's like insulated.
Where? Oh man, that's frozen. Don't tell me. That is frozen.
Dude, Casey's is freaking terrible.
Why?
I'd never go in there. Because I was legitimately in there for 15 minutes.
It's just like Burger King.
I don't know, I think it's worse than Burger King.
A lot of people.
No, there's like 3 of us in there.
Alright, guys.
Alright. That was a quick 5 minutes.
Alright, good morning, guys. It is the next day. It's Tuesday. And we had about half inch, you guys, yesterday of snow. And so one of our accounts, our townhomes, our trigger point didn't reach 2 inches. But this morning I woke up, I went to salt a few other accounts. And I just messaged the manager saying, hey, look, there's about half inch of snow on there on top of ice. Do you want us to do a full cleanup? So we're gonna Emily's gonna come in today, help me just with that. That's the only account we got to do. So it's extra, it's not in the contract. Our trigger point isn't till 2 inches, but it needs to be cleaned up or else it's gonna get packed, you guys, and it's gonna get slippery, parking lot and sidewalks. So sometimes it's good to just, you know, let the manager know. So you just got to let them know, and plus it's extra work for us. And so yeah, I was gonna hook this one up, you guys, the blade, but I'm just gonna go up there. It's about half inch with snow, so I'm gonna run. It'll still do the job because we got a good cutting edge in the bottom. And so Emily's gonna come in and push out the front entrance or shovel it out, and then once we get done with the sidewalk, and then we're gonna hit the parking lot. Once we get done with everything, we're gonna salt. So that is the game plan, you guys. That is the game plan for today. And Ashley and Amy's gonna be in the shop. Once Emily's done, she'll be in the shop. So let's go. So I got that fueled. I'm gonna mess with that fuel pump once I get back. Find out what's going on with it.
I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. It should have been you. I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you.